tour since pandemic.
I notice na marami ding mga taong gustong lumabas ng bansa. Actually, group by group ito. Hindi nga kami pinapila dun sa kabila na bilihan ng travel taxi kasi ang dami. Sabi nila, 56 daw silang magkakasama. So, I think it's a company, no? It's a company travel. So, marami talaga. So, dito kami pinapunta sa other side kasi dito daw, konti lang ang pila. But, everybody is so excited already to go out of the country. Actually, itong amin is only a pending one. Dati na to na ticket, supposedly last 2020 pa ito. Pero walang chance. Kaya ngayon lang talaga nagka-chance.
Actually, this travel was supposedly during my 50th birthday, but then it was postponed because I was chosen to be the master ceremony sa graduation ng aming medical students at Gulyas College of Medicine, and I do not lose chances. That's why this is the right time to go on a vacation.
And welcome to Singapore! Hindi kami direct flight actually. Kung nag-direct flight pa kami, for sure, hindi na naman kami matutuloy because of the typhoon. So what happened is, from Cebu, Mactan Cebu Airport, pupunta kami sa Singapore. Sa Singapore, we are going to stay here for at least 2 hours, no? And then, ko-connect kami ngayon papunta sa Phuket. So, this is what happened. Kaya nagkaroon pa kami ng chance na kumain at saka magsuroy-suroy or mamasyal-masyal dun sa loob ng airport. And now, fly, fly, fly again! Pupunta na kami ngayon from Singapore to Phuket, Thailand. We are here now at Phuket International Airport. We had just arrived from Singapore to Phuket. Exactly 9:30 in my clock, Philippine time, and 8:30 in Thailand time. We arrived here at Marriott Vacation Hotel. So here we are. Hi, sir. Check-in area. Look at the place. Kakaiba naman. Diba? So iba din ang beauty ng kanilang Marriott Vacation Hotel. There. Sige, papasok na ako. I'll go in. There. Andun ang husband ko. Ayan. So, dito.
Naman, makakapaglaba ka when you come here, no? But they have this one. It's a part of their room. And here we are. Let's come to their area. Kitchen. This is the kitchen. So everything is complete, no? Meron silang coffee maker, painitan ng tubig, andito ang mga gamit. If you wanna cook, pwede pa rin. Meron microwave, tsaka meron tayong refrigerator. And meron silang mga free na water na naka-ready na talaga. Marami, meron din dito. Oh. Okay, so next to that, maraming mga lagayan ng mga coffee nila. And this one is ice. Okay, pwede ka lang humingi sa kanila daw if you need something. And here is just like a bar. No, if you want to drink something like an alcoholic drinks, feel dito, guys. And then dito ang kanilang lamesa with a very nice mirror over there, showing the reflection, no? And then ito yung sala. So, ito yung sala nila. Very nice. Kanina pa ako nagre-relax dito, no? Next to that, anong meron dito? Kasi gabi na, guys. Gabi na. So, what is this? No. I think this is only a curtain. And dito ano to dyan?
It's locked. Mommy may have forgot to mention, but right beside the living area, there's another bedroom. It's bigger than the other one. And right beside it, there's a very, very big bathtub. It's very nice. It's a lot bigger than the other bedroom. It also has its own closet. With a flashlight, a locker, and the usual. And when we go out here, we have a veranda. In here we have a table with 4 seats and electric fan. When we go out here, we can see the night view. The place is really big. Right now, the Philippine time is 9:22, but since Thailand time is -1 hour, here in Thailand, it is 8:22.